Welcome to Fever FM, everyone. My name is Sue Cowlishaw and I am a yoga teacher, and we are doing a yoga series which is being brought to you by the National Lottery Community Fund. So let's get started. So the first pose I'm going to show you is mountain pose. Mountain pose is a very basic standing posture, and it's where all the other yogic standing postures come from. So I'm going to go through it minute detail at a time, just the first time. So traditionally we will have the toes touching each other and a couple of inches between the heels. So if you imagine your feet in a square box, you want to make sure that you're evenly balanced on all those four corners. So then we're going to start to lengthen through the legs after spreading the toes, and then we come to the midsection, which we call Mula Bandha or root lock. And how we do that is we take the belly button towards the spine, and we also engage the muscle between the front passage and the back passage, and that creates a really nice sturdy lock. Then we start to open the chest and take the arms back. So we're sending the shoulders down the mat towards the floor. We're lifting the chin and we're lengthening the body completely. So this is a constant reach. So imagine somebody is pulling your head to the ceiling. Keep the fingers alive and keep the chest open. Every inhale, we're just going to lengthen and stand a little bit taller. So if you want to bring your awareness to the body, you will feel that every muscle group in the body is switched on. So this is a nice, sturdy kind of way to keep good posture and to stop you getting that kind of rounded spine. So just spend a few seconds, or as long as you want really, but remember to inhale, lift the chest, tighten that midsection and have a nice straight spine. You might find you need to bring your hips forward an inch or two. Find a little spot to gaze on and hold for as long as you wish.